Hello there, what's up guys? My name is GLX23. Today, I'll show you where to get your car repair kit tool fast and a little bit dangerous. It depends on your server. Just head down here with a racetrack in Z3 here in the racetrack. Okay, if you're heading here, be careful because some might your server has a exploding puppets, so better be careful going here because this is where the you can what's called that, you can encounter exploding puppet here, so better be careful when you're here, when you're around here, because I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, and it's a good source to find your car repair kit. Okay, so I'm just going here around here checking. Nothing. Okay, so one of these tent, better be careful, but this is good to find food too if you don't have foods, cause I'm checking this one. All this. Okay, we got these shells. One needle. Dang, somebody doing a needle here. Okay. I'm gonna have a space for that. Then we'll make space. 1 second. Do I have? Oh, okay, I have this, so it's okay. It's good. It's good. All right, let's check this. First, you have to check this one. Okay. This one is good to sell. You'll make like $20. Well, if you're poor, you cannot be choosy. Alright, just check when you're here. There's this one. Uncle Rice Pong Pong. Ping Pong Uncle Rice. That's good for carbs. And protein. This one is good in protein. Ooh, salt. That's one good. I'll show you why do I get those. This one, not yet. Cause mayonnaise. But they added, SCUM. Flask. They just introduce it before. So, nothing. Okay, this one good because I can make. Ooh. Well, see, as I said, just go around here if you don't have food. And look at that. A fully fixed vehicle. Motorcycle. But I have my car here, but I don't have gasoline yet. Still have my car there, fully repaired, so let's leave that there to someone find it. Nothing hurt. It won't hurt if you check around here. For example, like this. I'll get those because, ooh, either better. See? Bitong, African bitong. Bitong. I don't need that. Soy sauce, see? Soy sauce. Okay, enough about that because I'm still full. You see, for each here, you can get a fruits or, yeah, see that? Blueberry. That's still good because 64. It won't give you any stomach ache. So enough about that. So this is where you going. So see this container? Enter this container. I think there's 6 of them. So you have to do is just close it just to make sure, and Better be careful around here. This is cost like $100, 100 cash. I don't know how much is that, but let's take it. Oh no. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, double check this. Okay, that's good. I need this. Let's. Oh no! I don't mean it. Close it. There you go. It's a little bit shorter. Driver's glove. I don't need that. Okay, so this is the second one because the first one they already looted. So, but better be careful here because on my server, when newly spawn or you just log in, the I think my boss Soko set this up that if you respond to a place, there won't be as heavy as puppet around. But if there's another player, it will spawn lots of puppets. So I'm a little bit confident on myself that I won't be attacked or Okay. Oh, this one come in handy. I'll show you to you later. Okay. I need those because those are good for upgrading my base. So this is the third one, nothing. Okay, now I get. Oh, I need this. This is more valuable. This is most important. Oh, this is 100. It's already data. Data. Oh, jackpot. Metal saw. Nope. Nope. Okay, strike 3. No, strike 4. 4. That's the other one over there. So, see, I got this one. Repair kit, repair tool. I don't know how to make hot cocoa yet, but they're still introducing it. So make sure you just close the door behind you so you won't get attacked while doing this. Okay. Wow. Icing sugar, that's good for drinks. Straw hat. I'm good. Oh, this one's better. This one's dirty. What? Don't tell me. Oh, there you go. Ooh, kunai. I need this. Just for fun. Can throw it to puppets. Okay, that's strike 5. Dang. Oh yeah, for if you're going here, don't go nighttime because yeah, it's a grilled. Oh, I need this. Oh, I need this for my barbecue. I'm going to have a barbecue. Oh, I'll get that egg. I'll cook it later on. So this is the one you have to check. Wow, all bolts. No, why? Ooh, alternator for Leica. Ah, it's heavy. That's why that's the one. Because You said it's heavy. Okay, that's good. Yeah, see, there's auto parts here too. And gas. That's weird, there's no sound on it. Okay, so we don't find any here. So let me go back to my car. Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry. This is the first cargo. I already checked. I already looked that thing, so it's empty right now. Oh man, this character of mine is easily to get winded. So let me drop this loot and let's continue. Sorry about that. When I see stuff that I need, I hoard it. So I'm a bad guy. I'm a bad guy, yeah, because I'm hoarding stuff. I'm a hoarder. But see, this is the first two that I already got from the first container. I already used it to repair my car. So a little bit bad on my side and good, sometimes good. So I'll drop this needle here. I'll put all this in my pants so it won't go heavy. So I'll count ping pong. I'll put it here. See, it's uh easy to get fill your slot here, your space in your bag. If you're just like me. Okay, let's go. Scan. Oh, forgot what it is. Oh, there you go. Snack. Sea salt, this one you need it for cooking. And this one is very helpful because it will complete what you're cooking. So you need this one, tomato. I don't know garlic yet, but you really need the tomato because that's the veg. You can do fried vegetable or goulash. It's a good recipe if you know. So for this, I'll bring my car with me. But if you're in a server that has a exploding puppet, I don't recommend bringing your car because it will destroy your car in one blow. One explosive explosion. Right now, so that's the first container that you'll open. This is the second container. Third container, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You got 6 container before going here to the repair shop. Okay, you can leave your car here if you want, but you know. Oh, wait. What the heck? Come on. Okay. Just make sure to turn off your lights so it won't discharge your battery. Alright, so see, this is the one. That's why I getting this, because it's a good source of wires. Wires, it's come handy when you bunch of stuff. I'll get this. I'll start getting those because you need those to upgrade your base, and you know, when you're going to the vault or to the bunker. Okay. So one of these will contain a repair kit. Oh, battery. I need this battery for my uh can I charge this? Oh well, you have to return there. Huh? What? Cannot do that anymore? Ooh, oh, come on. What now? Well, I guess this one's going to be obsolete. Oh, it's empty. That's why. Oh yeah, by the way, this one is not rechargeable if you make this this small battery charger. You can only charge the battery, cell phone battery, like this one. You can only charge this, but this one won't. I tried it. Unless they make a new update for it. Okay, so just check all these small, this toolbox. Oh, I need this one to make a torch. Oh, there's a knife. I don't need a knife. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, and then yeah, it's a good source to get the screwdrivers. If you have the perk for what's it called, thievery, so you can pick lock. Pick lock is very handy. So this is the example what I look what I'm gonna do. Oh, really? Can't do that. Let's see, maybe. Okay, I cannot do that anymore. I know you can cut this. There you go, cut into wire. See, and these wires, see these wires? It's good to make a this improvised ball 35. See, this one's better than this one, more powerful. Okay, more power on it. So okay, pick lock, I need that. I will stop getting because I'm gonna get full again. See, there's the car parts. Got to stop. Oh yeah. Oh, you can get this one here? Well, that's good. I didn't know. Paper. No. can I light this? I think this is a gas operated. Oh, this is nice. 72. Okay, I know this is where you can. Come on. Don't tell me. They're all. Oh wow. I need this. Yes. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, give me a. And there's the chicken. Oh, I'm full again. I wonder. Oh, you cannot open this. I think you can go inside here. Yes, the door has a back door. Man, I should have stopped getting stuff. They got to stop fix this. Ah. Well, let's put this up here. Nope. Let's just put it. Okay, that's good. Oh, nice. Ah, this will fit perfectly. Okay, that's good. I can put this here. You need this if you're going to the bunker. Okay, that's good. Okay, third box. Empty. Good. I don't need this yet. This one. I'll move this. I forgot you can combine this. Duh. Okay, so just leave this thing here. Make this a bit open. Open one more slot. Okay, so that's good. Okay, let's go back. So this is your seven container. Already checked that. Be very careful here when you open it, because sometimes there's puppet in it. There's puppet inside, so very careful. Oh, don't forget to get this. That's a really, really nice to have a. That one is really nice to have it. Oh, rubber tires. Ah, nothing. Sometimes it has, sometimes not. Okay, so okay, a little bit dark, scary. For real? Don't tell me they're all just gonna give me. I don't need wires, because that's not complete. Uh, Come on. Oh well, that's a bug. Yeesh. Got to stop getting. Ah, I need this to make a bob wire. Oh, gasoline is a gasoline. Right now, the gasoline is so expensive. Oh, smoking is bad for your health, guys and kids. No, that's below. I need this because there's a good reason why I'm getting those. It's a good reason. Come on. So if you got struck out like me, this is your second destination. Your second. See this? Ooh, I got full repair kit. Okay, this is nice finding. You need those. Either this one or get a tactical glove because those are awesome to protect your hands. Ah man, keep on showing this up. Ooh, this is nice to sell. Okay, I got two. Oh yeah. And that's 20. Oh, come on, 5. Well, I got surprise for you. Really? Really? You cannot check the system anymore? Well, that's update. They update it. I hate to leave this, but I'll be back. I'm just gonna get done and then throw it. Okay. So that's a good finding. This one and two. And this, that. Let's put it here. So, okay. That's a bad find, but you know, it's good because it will spawn here. Every time you go here, it will give you some. Especially this. I don't know if you can, if there's a use for this. I know if, okay, ooh. Well, that's a nice find. Inside the office, no, I think they don't spawn it there. But let me put this. Let me go for our bow. I know there's an enemy here. Oh, I don't need that. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. A sleeper? Ooh. Oh, nice. That's handy. It's come in handy. Oh, silver lock. Okay, if you don't find it here, here's your last stop. Ooh, a car. Ooh, I need this. Okay. This one has an engine and a battery. But one and oh, missing two tires. So not bad. You can find your car here, but it depends. Oh, we got croc. Well, that's awesome to find. 81. This one's more cleaner. Oh, chainsaw. Hallelujah. No, just leave it there. See, I didn't know that you can find chainsaw there. Chainsaw is a little bit rare. And if you sell it and it's in 100% durable, or I forget that. Ooh, wait, where are you? Oh, I need this. Now I can make my own ammo. Well, if they give you this, surprisingly. See, you can get your car now. Let me see if this is a good source of rubber band. Because I need rubber band more. I'll get this. Because this, it's no good. That's no good too. Oh, it's a good find. Because now I can let me see alternator. Remove the battery. That's mine. I guess there's no alternator. Can't see it. Yeah, no alternator then. So service that. Let's remove the tire. Let's put it here. Because this one's awesome. Let's see. Let's remove this. Get this here. And leave it here so we can go pick it up by car. Okay, it's not showing. And that's it. All you have to do is keep on doing it. Oh, I thought that's a tire. Working tire. Okay, so box number 3. Let's leave it here. There you go. You got a nice hole for this, so I'll drop this one so it won't be heavy. Yeah, just leave it here. I don't want to use this. That's valuable, you know. You can use that if you're in a pickle. You still have to, oh yeah. I will leave the I will remove the tree. The use I don't have it anymore. Oh, there's one more. You can see this. Excuse me. Okay, and I'll show you why I keep on getting this. Cause head down here, but better be careful, cause puppets are all around here. So if you find yourself surrounded, just go here. But still, better be careful because exploding puppet, always around here. So be very careful. I don't want you guys to. Oh, nice, fine. That's fine. Big screwdriver. Oh, wow, this one's good when you're selling it. Scout knife. So make your way here. And see this? Go up here. And make sure there's no zombie puppet. Okay. And we got a trouser. And police beanie. Oh, that's good. Same color. I'll get this. I want, because all we all need is to open this one. Or just a couple of bucks when you're selling it. When you sell it. See, here's this one comes in handy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and pick lock it. There you go. And ooh, lucky. Oh, see that? Okay, and rinse and repeat. Aray ko, putang ina mo talaga.